Welcome back to Thank Channel. Welcome back, everyone. And today we're diving into something brand new, Roadcraft. This game just dropped, and it's made by the same folks behind MudRunner and SnowRunner, so I knew I had to check it out. In Roadcraft, we take charge of disaster recovery, clearing debris, rebuilding roads, and restoring order after chaos. I'm starting from scratch here, just like many of you probably are, and I'll be learning as I go. So if you're curious about how the game plays, what vehicles you get, and how realistic this road construction sim really is, stick around. Let's get into it and see if Roadcraft lives up to the hype.
Hey there! The name's Kelly, and I'll be your friendly neighborhood dispatcher for today. And every day unless we screw something up. Then the company replaces us, like dead batteries. But until then, I'll be here to help as much as I can. Not that you need much help with your first task. You need to head to the lookout point and take in the general layout of that town on the coast. They're bracing for one hell of a storm. I suggest you get on with the agenda before the storm hits. Enjoying the sights? I often hear they're the best part of your job. At least your job has a best part. I have to make do with cheap coffee and a broken AC. Ready for your next mission? Well, aren't you lucky? Investigate the phosphate plant. Not too exciting, but who am I to argue, right? Go take a look. you're not a bad navigator. To be fair, a child could handle it if they could reach the gas pedal. Still, you did fine too, so kudos to you. Now it's time to get you to your forward base. It's not much to look at, but should keep you warm. Oh, and on your way there, be a darling and clear the plant's old entrance for the cavalry. They're coming later. If the higher-ups don't cut the funding. Good news is, you're in charge now. Bad news is, the storage and allocation of resources are all on you. So, use them wisely. And remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. For the company. Well, on to your next job. Storm's rolling in, and we need to build a flood wall before it does. Before it rolls in, I mean. Storm seldom build walls. First, we need to plot a route from the base to the phosphate plant. Once we do that, we can deliver the crane parts to make the wall.
Alright, that's it for my first look at Roadcraft. I hope you enjoyed watching me figure things out and start rebuilding from the ground up. If you liked what you saw, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps out. And if you want to follow along as I take on more challenges, rebuild more roads, and grow this journey, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Drop a comment if you've tried the game or if you have any tips. I'm all ears. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See you in next video. Thanks you for watching my channel. I hope you enjoy it.
Looks like we're gonna need a generator for the phosphate plant. There should be one somewhere close to the abandoned facility. Check your map. If you can find it, bring it back to the garage inside the abandoned facility.